Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this is to be the intro for my Pan That Palette 2020. I was like, what is this called? What year? I don't know. But I'm technically going to be working on 2 palettes, but I'm not really focusing on the first one just for the first month, and then I'll do updates with the second one from the next month onwards. But I really just am not focused on the first one right now because I really want to get to know it. Okay, and my Pan That Palette 2020 is Anastasia Beverly Hills Master Palette by Mayo. This is the palette on my eyes. This is the only palette on my eyes. I did my go-to look, the look that I used to only do from this palette, because I couldn't figure out what to wear for this intro, so I'm just like, I'm just gonna do the go-to look, which is Lula just in the crease on the lower lash line on the outer third too, and then Muse to deepen that, and then just Marina on the inner part, the lid and the inner corner, and on the lower lash line a little bit too. And that's it. Those 3 colors. So lots of people love this palette. I'm like, it's a good palette, but I almost never reach for it, and when I do reach for it, I tend to just do looks. The only colors I would miss when I completely use this up is Claudia, Marina, Marina is my favorite shade. It has the biggest dip, as you can kind of see, and New York City, which I have recently fallen in love with the last month. It's this beautiful chocolatey brown. It reminds me of hot cocoa, and that's why I love it. So those 3 are the only 3 that I would miss, which I have a bookmark of a dupe for this from Talia's website, and then I think there's a couple similar shades in my Sweet Peach. I think Luscious is kind of similar. It's not the exact same, but similar enough that I could probably do looks kind of with it. So like that. And then Claudia, there's be no dupes for it because it's just a beautiful gray, and since it has that satin formula, it just blends so much nicer, and is so much better than a lot of grays. Color wise, it's pretty similar to Slated from the Colourpop Smoke Show, only Claudia is deeper, but they're both blue tone grays, so it's just the formula wise that these are really unique. Okay, so what shades I think would be easy for me is New York City and Marina and Muse, maybe, because Muse I can use just all over blown out. I love her shimmers because her shimmers I can throw in the crease super easy, and I could just do big blown out look with one shadow, and it's super easy. Her mattes are super pigmented and a little bit harder to blend than regular mattes. This is why I didn't like this palette at first, because I thought it was too pigmented, but I've gotten used to it and I know how to work with it. And then the shades that I think will be hardest for me is the mattes, because mattes just take forever. Especially I just tap a little bit and then I tap all the excess off, and then I do one little tap and then have to tap it a lot of excess off, and then I blend, and then it's just enough for one eye when you just barely touch it and then tap all the excess off. It's you need the littlest amount. So yeah, I have very little use on either of these. Violetta is definitely the hardest of the mattes because I just don't really use it. Lula has a little bit of a dip. It's one of my favorite shades. This one and this one, those two are my favorites. Favorite and favorite. And you know what, I originally bought it for this shade and this shade. Green is pretty too though, and then this shade is gonna be hard because it's not super shimmery, and it's very yellow. It's just and yellows don't look good on my skin. I think I may try to just blow it out, or I could the other day I layered it on top of Isabel, and I liked it layer on top of Isabel, so I may do that. But this next month, I'm not gonna focus on any particular shades in particular. I'm just really try to get to know each of the shades so I could I use them in the future. But this is what I'm starting with. Hopefully I can do good on this palette, because it's like there's very little dips in it. Like Marina has a little bit of a dip, but like there's not a lot of dips or anything. But yeah, so this is my Pan the Palette 2020. I'm excited. So yeah, I think I'm gonna show you up close my eyeball. But yeah, that's what my eye look. And then I put a brown in my waterline, and then I lined my lashes with that same brown pencil. And then this is a brown mascara too. And any other makeup on my face is be listed down in the description. So yeah, I'm hoping I can get this used up. So yeah, I'm just say bye, and I don't know. See you in the next update.